Welcome back to the vlogs, everybody. How's it going? We are on our way to Westminster right now. Second time this week, and this time we are not going for a meet and greet, but we are meeting up with the LASD Motorsports racing team. Right now I am on my way to Assault Industries, which makes parts for UTVs. I'm not sure if they make parts for other vehicles, but they are one of the sponsors for our race vehicle. So we are heading there today because that is where the new race vehicle for the 2021 season is sitting right now, waiting to be finished up with a few more touches. So I'm heading out there right now to meet up with Eric, one of the racers, so we can put on these final touches, or at least start the process. It's going to be an all-weekend thing, but unfortunately I can't be there tomorrow. So I'm heading out today. I'm going to help get the process started for them, and they should get this race vehicle buttoned up by this weekend, shocks and all. But before we jump into any of that, I want to let you guys know I am doing a giveaway right now. I threw together a car wash bundle from Chemical Guys, and all of the rules and everything are on my Instagram. I'll throw the picture up right here. Go to my Instagram, check it out, follow the 4 simple rules, which is like the post, comment 3 friends, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. Do those 4 things and you are entered to win that giveaway bundle. I will ship it out to you free of charge. So make sure you go get entered, guys. Even if you aren't interested in winning, go ahead and subscribe. We are doing new videos every other week, and all off-road content, everything you could ever want in off-road content, UTVs, dirt bikes, Jeeps, trucks, everything. So with all that being said, guys, I will catch up with you once we actually pull up to Assault Industries.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I'm here.
Oh, we're in that very far corner.
All right, on the roundabout at the end of the street?
Yeah.
All right. If you're new here, you probably don't know this, but I always preach to try a lot of new things in the car scene and off-road scene, just automotives in general. And I'm a huge JDM guy. And what a lot of you probably don't know is that I almost sold my truck a bunch of different times to get an S2000. I really like them for some reason. Like, they're small, they're not the most cheap, but they're pretty cheap for like a beginner JDM build and everything. Maybe one day I'll do a project car, but we're gonna at least try to get everything started, so once they come in tomorrow morning on Saturday, the main day, they can just start nailing stuff out. So let's head inside and see what we can get done. Okay, so we are now at Assault Industries, and look at all these projects they got going on here. They have a Hammond Motorsports race vehicle there. They have one outside. We have ours. It looks like a full-on trophy truck, and they're building some gnarly side-by-sides back there. But as cool as all this stuff is, we are here working on the LASD Motorsports race vehicle for the 2021 season. Now, like I said in the last video, we are switching out all 4 corners of suspension with new Fox shocks and coils. So that's what we're working on right now. Hey, Eric.
Yeah.
Have you seen these shocks yet?
No.
The new ones? Dude, these things look badass.
Oh, yeah, no, I know.
Look at these.
Yeah, no, they're insane.
Dude, these are crazy. I feel like we were on a roll for a while, and then we kind of slowed down and had to stop because pressing these in to the new arms really set us back. It was kind of a mission to press those in, but we got them in now, so we're trying to just work on putting the new stuff back on. Okay, we've gotten not very little done, but not as much as I would have thought. We had lunch, rested for a little bit, and now Garrett and Bob have pulled up, and we're gonna start attacking the whole rear end of this. Hopefully have the rear end done by end of today, maybe. I'm shooting that rear done by the end of the day. Okay, with this whole side disassembled, we're gonna start reassembling this side now. We already got the trailing arm on. We're gonna put the other two arms on. And they're finishing up that side, so we'll carry all that information over to this side. And there's just stuff everywhere. It's like a toolbox exploded in here. Garrett, would you like to give the update? The tragic update on... Unfortunate news to report, very unfortunate news. These are not the right shocks for the vehicle. These are about, how much shorter are these? 5 to 6 inches shorter than what we need. So, Bob is going to be reaching back out to Fox, see if we can get the right shocks in, or even if they make the right ones, because this is a newer model, so we're not sure if they make the right ones. One of the people we have contact with said that these would work on that one, and these are from a different model or year, so long story short, they're not going to fit. We're going to have to throw the old ones on for now until we can get the new ones in that fit. But other than that, the back end's coming along very, very nicely. Is it a sign? Is it a sign, Garrett? What? Do I sell the truck and buy an S2000? I'm working on some very therapeutic stuff right now.
That's not gonna be it, is it?
Putting new brake line clamps on to line up with the trailing arm, but there's all these old rubber ones on with other rubber like sheathing. So I'm just cutting off all the old rubber, putting on the new ones, lining them up, and getting this brake line fitted just nice.
Oh, these bolts probably won't fit.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, these definitely won't fit. So there's definitely a bolt.
All right, so we wrapped up day one. Well, the only day for Garrett and I, because we're going to be going to the desert tomorrow, but they wrapped up day one of this. Got the whole... You're picking your nose over there?
I did it on purpose tonight.
Oh, okay. We got him slipping. We got the whole rear long travel kit put on. We don't have the shocks because they're the wrong size, and we got to get new ones. Other than that, I think everything's pretty much done here. Just have to do some adjustments for alignment and whatnot. And I was wrong when we pulled out. This is not a salt. Well, it is a salt. That half's a salt. There's a little wall partition. This is Privateer. Privateer what? Motorsports? Privateer. Motorsports. Privateer Motorsports, sure. That's where we're at today. So, all this is done. They're gonna do the front end tomorrow and possibly the next day. We're gonna try to get the new shocks ordered and everything. And then this should be just about buttoned up, other than the bash bars on the front and back and the tire carrier cage that they're gonna fab up and put in. All of that being said, guys, thank you for tuning into another video. Go check the Instagram for the giveaway, and I will catch you guys later.